Good morning everyone and welcome to Morning Markets from True Potential. Today the first thing you'll notice is that we're in our new studio here in head office, which we'll use for morning markets and also for our podcasts. Turning then to markets and what did we see yesterday? Certainly in equity markets a better start to the week and a continuation really of the themes that we were discussing from last week, with growth, a large cap technology continuing to perform well. The other thing that was catching our attention as a team yesterday was just what was happening in commodity markets, seeing strength in the oil market with Brent crude trading up around $68 a barrel, but also some more volatility in industrial metals such as copper and iron ore. The volatility in those markets was coming from a statement really from China, and particularly a statement from the NDRC, the National Development and Reform Commission, in which they were just alluding to excessive speculation in some of these commodity markets. That's important from China's perspective because they're the largest consumer of iron ore, a key component in the manufacturing of steel. And as they roll out their infrastructure investment programs, clearly price increases and significant price increases are problematic. So if we think about iron ore yesterday, it traded down around 7% on the news from China. In Asian trading then, as we came through the day, it ended up the day down 4%. But to put that in context, iron ore is currently trading at around $197 a tonne. That's up 25% year to date. And that gives you an indication as to why Chinese authorities, but why authorities globally are concerned or are bringing into focus some of these price moves, because it's inflationary. And that ties into that theme that we've been discussing over the past number of months in terms of the inflation backdrop that we're seeing as we emerge from the COVID-19 pandemic impact on global supply chains. And that's an important topic, and it's been something that has been very much front and centre of central bank communication over the past 48 hours. Started on Friday with Christine Lagarde, the ECB chairwoman, discussing how the ECB view inflation as being transitory, with Andrew Bailey and a number of the Monetary Policy Committee members from the Bank of England testifying at Parliament yesterday, and again really reiterating their view that inflation that we're seeing at this point in time is transitory. Within that, however, I do think it's worth noting that the Bank of England's outgoing chief economist, Andy Haldean, has been a bit more hawkish on that side of things, and he does feel that the inflation dynamic that we're seeing is starting to build, and something that does merit very, very close attention from the MPC. Again, he is leaving the MPC, so it will be interesting to note how the new member coming in interprets the data as well. Similar environment as well yesterday, with three speakers from the Federal Reserve also reiterating their view that the inflation dynamics are temporary that we're seeing at the moment. Just concluding today, when we look at how asset markets have performed through Asia, strong performance in Asia overnight, particularly in China, and that has fed through into futures and how the European markets have opened this morning. Many thanks, and please do join us again tomorrow.
Subscribing to True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to your YouTube app on your phone, type in True Potential and press the red subscribe option. You'll then be notified as and when new videos are released.